So we've also been working with industry members, learning that our businesses range from very, very small businesses to some of the largest multinational brands. As we've interviewed some of our members, we've realized we needed to provide an offering for our members to have, instead of a pack of GTINs or product identifiers to barcode their products, that maybe a single GTIN would be best for them. So we did recently, last November, offer a single GTIN. This is a one-time fee and allows them to at least start identifying their products with the GS1 standard identifier and get their foot in the door and do business like any of the other major players in the industry.